In 1995, a 25-year-old government school teacher in Pune named Ramesh Patil started investing just 5,000 rupees every month into a mutual fund. His colleagues laughed. "That's nothing," they said. By 2025, Ramesh's account balance crossed 4.8 crore rupees. He never got a raise above 45,000 rupees. He never started a business. He just understood one brutal mathematical truth that 94% of Indians never learn. Here's the lie your salary tells you every month. You earn 30,000 rupees. After rent, groceries, EMIs, and that Swiggy addiction, you have 4,000 rupee left. You think, what's the point of investing so little? But that thought alone costs you 4.2 crore rupees over 30 years. That's not motivation talk. That's compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world, as Einstein allegedly called it, doing brutal, silent math against you. Let's do the math school criminally never taught you. 5,000 rupee per month into a Nifty 50 index fund. The Nifty 50 has delivered an average 12% annual return since 1996. That's 28 years of real data, not projections. At 12% compounding, your 5,000 rupee monthly becomes 1.76 crore rupees in 25 years. Push to 30 years. 3.2 crore rupees. Hit 35 years starting at age 25. You cross 5.6 crore rupees. Same 5,000 rupees. Just time. The weapon is called in SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Every month, on auto debit, 5,000 rupee leaves your account and buys units of a mutual fund. When markets crash, and they will, your 5,000 rupee buys more units. When markets rise, your existing units gain value. This is called rupee cost averaging, and it makes market crashes work for you, not against you. In 2020's COVID crash, SIP investors who stayed in made 78% returns by December 2021. Now here's the formula that separates crores from everyone else. Step 1. Start today, not next month. Every single month you delay costs you approximately 3.5 lakh rupees in final corpus at 12% returns. Step 2. Increase your SIP by just 10% every year. If you start at 5,000 rupees and increase by 500 rupees each year, your final corpus after 30 years doesn't become 3.2 crore rupees. It becomes 7.4 crore rupees. That one habit. Double the result. Meet Priya Sharma, 28, software engineer from Bangalore. She started a 5,000 rupee SIP in 2018 in Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund. She also invested 2,000 rupee more in ELSs, saving 46,800 rupees in income tax annually under Section 80C. By 2024, her 4.2 lakh rupees total investment had grown to 9.1 lakh rupees. But more importantly, the tax she saved she reinvested, creating a second compounding engine running parallel. 2 streams. 1 discipline. Explosive results. But here are the 3 mistakes that silently murder your compounding. Mistake 1. Stopping SIP during market crashes, exactly when you should be celebrating cheap units. Mistake 2. Withdrawing early for weddings, cars, gadgets, India's biggest wealth killer. Mistake 3. Keeping money in a savings account at 3.5% while inflation runs at 6.5%. That's not saving. That's losing 3 rupees for every 100 rupees every single year, guaranteed, confirmed, unavoidable. Your 5-step action plan. Do this before you sleep tonight. 1. Download Grow or Zerodha coin right now, free. 2. Start a 5,000 rupee SIP in Nifty 50 or Nifty Next 50 index fund, lowest fees, highest trust. 3. Set up auto debit on salary days so you never touch it. 4. Add 500 rupees every April when salaries typically rise. 5. Never check it daily. This is a 25-year machine, not a lottery ticket. Discipline is the only password. Here's the bigger truth. India is creating 70 new millionaires every single day according to the 2023 Hurun India Wealth Report. The ones getting rich aren't all tech founders or cricket stars. Most are disciplined, ordinary salaried people who understood compounding at 25, not 45. The gap between poor and wealthy in India isn't income, it's financial education. You just got it. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every week.